Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change profile picture on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account, and as you can see over here, I didn't have any picture on my account. So you can see, click on settings, and then you will comes in this page. Once you click on your profile, you will get these two options over here. So if you want to choose it from your gallery or library, so you have to do is click on your library and choose it from there. And if you want to change it, like take photo, or like you want to create a new photo right now, so you have to do is click on take photo and then take a picture that you want to add on the messenger, and that's it. Click on done on the top, and then it's going to be applied to your profile picture. And as you can see over here, you can do like the same that I have done, or like you can see over here. Once you change this, you will see that the profile picture is changed, and now you can change multiple profile pictures that you want to like. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.